Sunday Boiler School. All right, we're back to the drawing board. So today I want to talk about correctly piped, two-pipe riser or double tapped steam boilers. So in my years in the field of going to jobs and looking at them, obviously replacing them, I've seen double tapped boilers piped a couple of different ways. So the most common would be whoever did it place the boiler here, come up with a riser, and then turn and meet in the middle and pipe their mains in the middle, and then bring their returns down like that, or on either side of the boiler. I've also seen come up, meet in the middle again, and then have another T here to come down and back in. I've also seen this setup where they're coming off the top. There's a T here that comes down to the equalizer. Another bullhead T that way, and then up like this. So these are all wrong, obviously. So as you're making steam on both risers, it's shooting up into your risers and then knocking directly in the middle, fighting itself, and then pushing all the water that it possibly can into the mains. So what we want to do is place our boiler, come up with a, now you can go this way or this way, so I'm going to pipe it this way. 90 here, then a 90 here, which is your swing joint, then come up with your other riser, 90, and then T, and connect these two. Now you can do a union here or two unions here. Then come over, whether it's two or one supply, place your T here on the 45 with a 45 up to your steam main. If you have two mains, another T with a 45, come up, and then you're coming back down into the boiler, and then your Hartford loop is here. So sometimes the manufacturer of whatever brand boiler that you're going to use requires you to use a double tap piping schematic. So this would be the correct way to do it. It's also in the instructions. Read those. It's helpful.